vlogging, Kai. Look at Callie. And Mimi. Yep, I got you on camera.
Be okay.
Welcome back to Hanging with the Harrises.
Like, I ain't ready.
It's the birthday boy's birthday. And his little gamer truck.
Yep, nope.
Wow. This is good stuff. All right, get off of there. Come on. You said what? Oh, you just pick whatever games you want to play and just play it. Wow. Oh, this is pretty cool. All right, I'm leaving. I don't got nothing to do with this.
She took a ride out of my hands, but I wasn't even. It really did suck to be you, though.
Look at that. This gamer truck.
I know he was 15, but
This
still.
is what kids do on their birthdays.
You were never
Their parents rent a game truck and they play a video game for their birthday. I mean, who does that?
What?
Who does that? So. Oh, cool people. Oh, this is Mimi. This is Satara, our cousin. This is my little cousin. Even though she like taller than me, she's still my baby cousin.
Older cousin.
And my, of course, y'all know Callie. However, you said what? My what? Yeah, she's taller than me. How long you been here, Mimi?
And a half.
How long you been over here?
I got here at like 1:30.
Oh, okay.
It started at 1:30.
I didn't know. I did not know, unfortunately. You can play some games in a minute. So do you just have to wait till they're done? Or you can pick any game
You
to
can
play?
do it.
You just
You
play?
just have to tell them.
Oh, okay. For you guys so you can see you. Look at him playing a video game. Oh. I guess he's trying to figure out where he's going. I know you see this big old trailer here, buddy. You better not drive through. Oh. Callie, I think Daddy would get this for you. So Daddy would definitely get this. He would probably just get this to sit in it himself. Like a man cave.
Oh, yeah.
Just hanging.
You'd be surprised. Like, I'd say a little more than half the parties I go to,
Our
the
dogs.
kids, the kids will leave.
And
They're stuck outside of the
Right,
basketball or whatever,
right.
and then the parents come on, especially dads.
oh yeah,
They'll
just
go on
chilling.
Madden or 2K or
Oh yeah, yeah. This would be perfect for like. My husband's a gamer. He plays Call of Duty, whatever. Yep, this one right here.
Yep.
He's kind of banned from Madden in our house because he is not nice. Mom, he's banned from Madden. There's Grandma. I see Grandma.
Pick six.
Hey, Grandma.
Oh, pick six.
What's fixing? Look who we have here. We made it. My sister.
No, it's over. I said it's no. It's over.
Why don't you guys play to halftime? You got 2 minutes left.
Let's win. Yeah, let's win.
Go!
Come on, Peach, you can beat her this time.
Come on, Peach. This is very innovative. Taking this truck and turning it into a gaming truck. I'm vlogging you. This the birthday boy. What's up? Why you acting like you? So when I put this up on the YouTube, what you gonna say? For your
You guys want to
birthday.
play Luigi's Mansion together?
I know you was gonna vlog this.
This year.
I definitely did already.
I thought this was private and concealed.
This is not private and concealed. When do I ever not vlog you when you're around? I just put a video up when you're on our YouTube. The little haircut, he's fresh on his birthday. I have no idea what they do at this church. I'm sitting up in here like this is a mom van, a mom truck. It's definitely not a mom truck, but I'm in here. I'm leaving though. I'm about to go across the street. Come on, he coming.
Come on. Kelly, what?
What good? It's in the house, I think.
Should be right here.
Oh, it's right here. It's on the porch. Here.
Y'all messing
Are you recording?
I get it. I'm about to wash it off.
messed up
Now you recording?
I'm about to. Because this is going to be funny. Hi, Mimi.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, Mimi.
Go over there. Go.
Yeah, I am. I'm vlogging, y'all.
Go.
This is my family playing the game. What is this? Freestyle?
Yes, I'm in again. I gotta wait on
All right. Let's see. Look at Liam running around out there.
Watch out for the baby.
I got word. She gonna catch y'all.
Watch out for the kids.
All right, go. I guess. What y'all playing? I'm talking about gold. Don't even know. Oh, freeze tag. See, this is how we used to play back in the day. Playing outside.
Run,
Hi,
Liam,
buddy.
run, Liam. Don't let her get you. Don't let mommy
Run,
get you.
Liam.
Run.
Oh, she gonna catch y'all. Kai ain't juking
Run,
nobody.
mommy gonna get you.
Oh, then they cold blooded.
How she get all y'all?
Y'all sorry.
I thought y'all had a plan.
How did she catch everybody in 3 seconds? She grabbed Kai. She held Kai so she could get you. She literally grabbed you and got Kai. Look at Liam.
She like that.
She ain't mean to. She was just trying to get y'all. Now what happened to the plan, Kai? You ain't even moved.
Pan blew up.
She got him. She got him fair and square. Grandma said she cheated. Oh, they got another game plan. It ain't working. Y'all need to scratch that plan. Y'all letting your older cousin who in her 20s beat your butt. Then they still got it. Y'all losing, but look, they be calling us old. No, y'all losing to the old people then. Look at them. Look at the babies huddling up.
Hey, you guys, be nice. Nice.
Right.
Play nice.
What's
Guys,
wrong?
play nice.
Are you guys being nice to each other? What happened?
Her being nice. Are you being nice?
Are you being nice, Liam? Yeah. Huh?
Dina was not playing freestyle.
He don't want to play. He don't got to play if he don't want to. You guys can play. Go play with Nene. Look, all the other kids playing. Run from Nene. She trying to get him. You got to run. Run from mommy. Liam, run from mommy.
Don't let mommy
say
get you.
Nene. Uh-oh. Oh, Lord. What was the plan? Y'all was sacrificing Kai?
Liam said he helped her. Both
Yeah,
y'all.
they cheating. Yeah, y'all cheating. Kai was blocking you. This ain't football. Mimi, you about to get froze. She gonna get Callie, somebody. Yeah, you cheating, Kai. Kai blocking.
Kai created it.
Well, it ain't work. Y'all lost.
I want to run.
They cheating. Then they getting everybody. Y'all cheating, bud.
I got that one.
Y'all cheating.